Good morning, students. So, our today's topic is respiration. All living organisms need energy for various physical and metabolic activities. And this energy comes from the food that we eat. As you already know that the food we eat get digested and absorbed by the body. And the glucose present in absorbed food combines with oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. So this process is called respiration. So here simple definition is given as you can see. The process by which food, that means glucose, is oxidized, means in presence of oxygen it is oxidized to produce carbon dioxide, water and release energy. So this is called respiration. Respiration involves a series of chemical reactions. Okay. In which glucose is broken down to release energy. This reaction takes place partly in the cytoplasm of the cell and partly in the cell organelle, that is mitochondria. Respiration involves the following basic steps. So the first one is air containing oxygen is taken into the plant body through the stomata. So for respiration, plants take in oxygen from the atmosphere through stomata, which are found in the epidermis of leaves. In all plant cells, a chemical reaction occurs in which the food molecules glucose C6H12O6 acted upon by oxygen and broken down into carbon dioxide, water and releases energy as well. The energy that is released is stored in the form of energy-rich molecules called ATP. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. These are the energy currency of the cells and are used to carry out various life functions. The waste product, that is carbon dioxide and water in the form of water vapor, are released through the stomata. The water releases during transpiration. Respiration are of two types, that is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration occur in presence of oxygen and anaerobic respiration occur in absence of oxygen. So aerobic respiration is the type of respiration in which glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen. So in this process, glucose is broken down completely into carbon dioxide and water with the liberation of energy in the form of ATP. Aerobic respiration takes place in most of the organisms, including human beings, animals and plants. So here is the word equation for aerobic respiration is given. So in aerobic respiration, maximum amount of energy is produced, that is 38 molecules of ATP per unit cell. Now let's see what is anaerobic respiration. The type of respiration in which glucose is broken down in the absence of oxygen. In this case, glucose is partially broken down. Carbon dioxide and alcohol are the end product of anaerobic respiration. There is a small amount of energy is released in this process, that is only 2 molecules of ATP. Microorganisms such as yeasts or some bacteria respire anaerobically. Such organisms are also called anaerobes. So the word equation for anaerobic respiration is given here. That is, the food in the form of glucose is broken down with the help of yeast or some anaerobic bacteria into alcohol carbon dioxide, where less energy is given out, that is 2 molecules of ATP. So here given the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration occur in presence of oxygen and anaerobic in absence of oxygen. The absorbed food glucose is completely broken down in case of aerobic respiration, but it is incompletely broken down in case of anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, no alcohol is formed, but in anaerobic, alcohol is formed. Aerobic respiration releases large amount of energy, that is 38 ATP molecules, but anaerobic respiration releases small amount of energy, that is 2 ATP molecules. In aerobic respiration, carbon dioxide, water are given out as end product, but in anaerobic respiration, ethyl, alcohol, carbon dioxide are given out as end product.